land tax rules and thresholds. So Victoria's recently reduced their land tax thresholds significantly and introduced a short-term, over the next 10-year COVID land tax surcharge to try and recover some money lost during the pandemic. I think costs for investors in Victoria now typically mean that even if you just had one investment property, previously there wouldn't have been any land tax on that if it was under the $300,000 threshold. Now you're being stung on average around $2,000 in land tax. That's now an amount that can't be adjusted at settlement either. So it is the owner's responsibility to pay that liability. Other states are also reducing their thresholds, but to different amounts. Victoria also has a lot of additional surcharges that they're charging on land tax now. So if you bought an investment property that was residential, but it remained vacant for more than half of a year, then that following year there's an additional 1% land tax surcharge. If it's vacant for more than half of the year for the second year, then that's 2%, up to a maximum of 3%. Now that could potentially impact the Airbnb type properties that are only leased for 3 or 4 months in a year. So in addition to your short-term stay levy, you've got an additional land tax charge that might be payable against that property.